Very controversial yung pag-appoint po ni Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano. Siyempre, kapatid niya, ang chairman ngayon ng Blue Ribbon Committee. Tapos, ang mga members, ito yung mga nagtaas ang kilay na marami. Jinggoy Estrada as Vice Chairperson and Rodante Marcoleta as Vice Chairperson. Alam po natin, si Senator Jinggoy, binibigay yung pangalan niya dito sa flood control mess. Tapos, yung kay Senator Marcoleta, ang inaano sa kanya ngayon, may kaso siya sa ombudsman, tapos yung kanyang pagkakilala nga daw sa mga diskaya. Tapos majority members, si Cheese Escudero, si Bongo, Amy Marcos, Mark Villar, Camille Villar, at si Robin Padilla. Na marami po nagsasabi, marami po sa kanila, may mga existing na mga kaso. Si Cheese, si Senator Bongo, yung mga magkapatid na Villar. So yung composition po ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee, hindi ho ba kayo medyo bakit nagkaganyan o nababahala?
Sa akin naman, not necessarily, though may issue siya ng appropriateness and propriety. Parang ganun ba? At saka delikadesa to certain extent.
Correct.
Kasi like for example, I don't have anything against Marcoleta, Senator Marcoleta being in the
Blue
being
Ribbon.
part of
Dati
the
naman siya,
Blue
nag-chair
Ribbon.
na siya di ba?
Oo, nag-chair na siya. At saka, alam ko, kilala ko si Senator Marcoleta. He is not a corrupt official, I think. I know him, I think, well enough to say na okay lang si Senator Marcoleta sa Blue Ribbon maging vice chair. Pero yung iba kasi, like for example, Jinggoy Estrada, medyo blurry yan. Kasi may mga kaso si Jinggoy, even before, related to corruption. And even until now, mayroon pa rin ina-allege sa kanya na corruption. So, to make it more, sana, kasi kung ako ang nasa posisyon ni Pia Cayetano, I would rather have a composition of the Blue Ribbon coming also from the other side.
Yes,
para
from the
fair.
minority.
At saka wala kayong masasabi kasi you're part of the committee. Whatever we do in the committee, nandyan kayo, part kayo. Kung magbubutuhan tayo, part kayo. So, it should have been, alam mo yun, kasi kung ako niyan, ang gagawin ko, okay, I will have people from the minority, I will have people from the majority. Both sides should be represented para walang masabi.
Transparency, kasi Blue Ribbon yan eh.
Blue Ribbon yan eh. So, at saka at the same time, para walang masabi din ang minority na, iniitsapwera nyo kami kasi ayaw nyo sa amin, baka may makita kami hindi maganda kasi pag may pagtatakpang kayo. Parehas din ang accusation sa minority right now eh. So sa akin, dapat it should have been a composition na balansehin mo. Balansehin mo yung composition. Even the chairmanship, I think it should have been balanced. Like for example, ang Blue Ribbon mo, Pia Cayetano, fine. Okay? But on the other hand, when you talk of the vice chairmanship, you get one from the minority. You get one from the majority. Those who don't have any kind of, accusation or alleged corruption. Kasi para balanse ka. Ang kailangan kasi ng Blue Ribbon is bumalanse ka para walang masabi ang publiko, walang masabi ang mga politiko. And then you do your job according to what you should do. Hindi yung tipong very, very glaring din naman kasi ang ginawa na may leaning ka eh.
Tsaka lopsided yun na nga eh.
Lopsided siya eh. So I'll be very honest and frank with my analysis. It's very lopsided.
Yes.
And also, the Senate President is a Cayetano.
Yes.
One of the major committee in the Senate is Blue Ribbon. Out of delicadeza, dapat
iba na.
Hindi Cayetano to Cayetano kasi look at the Senate right now. To be very honest, I don't even like the composition of the Senate. Ilan ang magkakapatid na nandyan?
Apat na pairs.
That even is a very problematic presentation or depiction of our Senate because that is nepotism already. That's glaring. So you protect the interest of your family and what? And your allies? I mean, come on, give me a break. I'm sorry, but I'm speaking my mind as a Filipino and the way I see it.